Bitcoin, stick it to the plan. We are going to $48,000. This is inevitable according to some experts. Smash the like button. This is crypto news, fun on the right, crypto to the max. Today we echo crypto proof telling us that 48,000 is the next big target for Bitcoin. And this is inevitable. If it breaks above that, we could even reach $60,000. That would be awesome. And the idea is that right now we are following here in the monthly chart the same pattern that we did in 2019 after this bottom, and also after 2015 with this bottom here. You can see the ABC, ABC, and now ABC. That's the bottom, and we need to get to the next horizontal line. That would be awesome for Bitcoin. And why could that be? Of course, because the ETF approval, and now we know that the SEC and Gary Gensler said that everyone that wants an ETF approved, they must submit everything in cash nor in kind for 29th December. So that means this Friday is the last chance for those if they want to be considered in the first wave. That doesn't mean that this is going to be approved by January the 10th. But if you want the chance, you have to be there according to Gary Gensler. This was released on Fox, and it's very important for this week. We are almost 10 days away if we consider working days, as we told you in previous crypto news. And I found this allegedly Jim Cramer saying that the SEC will never approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. That could mean that the ETF is confirmed, but I can't find this tweet on Jim Cramer's actual Twitter account, so maybe this is fake news. What do you know about that? I think this is fake. Careful with information out there. You can see here that maybe it's true, but maybe not. Any case, we are in the grid atmosphere, 71 today, but the market going down. We are in the red, and we hate that. And why is the market going down? Well, maybe because one of those fears that we still have in the market, that is empty gox. Remember, this is one of the most important hacks in history of Bitcoin, and now some of those users might be getting their money back, allegedly. Also, maybe fake news, maybe this is something that is just making the market go down, maybe so, or maybe some concerns, like for example this from BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes arguing that a spot Bitcoin ETF is not a good thing, and it might even completely destroy Bitcoin. Completely destroy it, it might be so. And why is that? Well, the idea is that then there's no need for holders, and we have less transactions fees, so the miners don't get a lot of money because of this, and that's the end for Bitcoin. But some comments in this tweet, in this X, say that this is not the case. You need to consider that we have ordinals and all those BRC20 tokens right now, their inscriptions making a lot of money there. So maybe this is nonsense. You can see Ordi as one of the bubbles going up today, $69 right now, and we are in an all-time high for the price. So maybe there's no need for that concern whatsoever. Also, Crypto Robert here saying that his bull market target for Ordi, starting in 69, is $1,000, $1,000 for Ordi. That would be crazy. And right now, Bitcoin crashing hard. We are going down. And right now, as I record this video, we might find a retest in the $42,000 in this line we drew a long time ago. Hopefully so. We just lost previous supports. 43,000 is over. So we'll see about this red line again. If not, we have some moving averages, and maybe we are going to close the gap. But in any case, very crucial, very important moment right now. As you can see with the yellow ghost pattern, we are in the line again. And the behavior we are having right now with our candles is really similar to that one. So maybe we are just doing something similar to this point or this point, and we keep on going higher. We'll tell you tomorrow in the next crypto news. Maybe we are up for a correction, like Crypto Yoda's telling us here. Um, some people say, I want to buy Bitcoin lower. And I'm telling you always, you might have that chance even in $20,000. Even though we are optimistic and we want to go to 100K, etc., you still have the time probably to buy one Bitcoin in 20 something. If we have something like this, a healthy correction, and then we keep on going higher. Watch previous videos where I tell you that's a possibility. Also, we have the other possibility because we have no idea whatsoever what's going to happen. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. We believe that not even Satoshi Nakamoto knows what's going to happen in the market, but we might start tomorrow going up as crazy. This happened in previous Decembers, and we can close the year in the $50,000 line. Remember the 8 weeks we had in the green, no Ngunflin Flum candle, neither red nor green. And it's interesting for me, these 8 weeks in the green and then red and then green, because if we go to previous moments with 8 or more, you can see green, red, green, green, red, green, green, red, green, and also here green, red, green, and green, red, green. So maybe this is just some breathing for Bitcoin that we need. Remember, those are the two more, in my opinion, possible paths for Bitcoin, and we are following them. Watch previous videos if you want more information. Also about the RSI, and you can see we are behaving exactly the same. If that's the case, we have to start going up. We're going a little bit lower right now, but as soon as tomorrow, we can start that rally that ends the last year, the last day of the year in the $50,000. Again, I told you everything in previous videos, so watch them all if you were on a vacation and you had the time. Dollar is going down, and why then is Bitcoin going down too? But we have good things to tell you. Of course, the hodlers out there more and more hodling for all-time highs. Now over 80% of all Bitcoin has not moved in the last 6 months, making this new all-time high. If you go to the most important ones, you can see we're going down, and you see Osmosis Atom ecosystem going up, but we have Mina, Axie, the ones that were crazy up the couple of days before now are going down. Polkadot now with a sell sign in the sequential TD right now. We have that 9, and very interesting. Let's just comment some charts, like for example, Polkadot now here may be creating a cap and handle pattern. We need to break this resistance right here. Very interesting tokens here. For example, Bitcoin, BTC with the SEC ETF approval this week, but also Metis, AVAX, Synthetics, and DYDX, also Kava. Those tokens have interesting information, and we have to just keep an eye on them. If you are a trader, well, consider this information. What about Link and Solana? Well, some people believe, like here, that Link is going to go as crazy as Solana was going the last couple of days. And if you consider why this is possible, it's because of the market cap. Link has less market cap than Solana. Remember this tool, marketcapproof.com. I leave you the link in the description below, where you can compare token prices with different market caps. So if Link had the market cap of Solana, it would be right now in the $86 and not 15. If it goes to Solana all-time high for the market cap, the price will be $139 for one Link. This is awesome. We told you about staking in previous videos. Watch them all. Solana, it's up 1,500% almost. It's $126 right now. And Link might have this 1,500 up. That would bring us to that 87. Remember, this is the idea if we get Solana's market cap. So this might be the case, and we might make a lot of money with Link. Could be. Also could be that Solana goes to 0 or it kills Ethereum. What do you think about that? Some people believe those two projects can live together. Some believe this is the end for Ethereum. This is the end in the long run for Solana. Which team are you joining right now? Ethereum is broken again, the 25 moving average line, and we are coming back to the millenary line, which is not good. But long-term Ethereum holders are reaching a record of 17% in December. So again, holders out there, and remember the path for Ethereum to $50,000. This is possible. Watch previous videos. We told you everything about this. Now, also, there's this guy, Guru Raul Pal, saying that Ethereum is primed to outperform Bitcoin in 2024. The idea is for all the ETH bears. In February 2021, Bitcoin first hit $44,000, where it's today, and Ethereum was at 1,400. Now it is at 2,250. 9 months later, Ethereum was up 245%. Bitcoin was up just 45%. So he thinks Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. It's going to be one of the macro trends for 2024. We'll see about that. Also, remember, like Dave is telling us here, about those improvements on Ethereum that will bring Ethereum fees to a minimum. Also, pro tip here, do not just focus on the price of a coin. Look at the technology, the team behind it, and the vision. Invest in projects with solid fundamentals rather than pure hype. This is something we need right now. We need to focus in the long run, like I do with Run App, making 6% APY with my hybrid method right now. Did you remember to give your friends 20 euros and get 20 euros yourself with Run App? Link in the description below. I know some of you are using the link, but you haven't do your know your customer and make a deposit. So do that if you want to have your money. And again, this is a tradition in FunOntheRide. I won again the lottery that you can lose with Run App last Friday. That's one more euro for me. 23 euros I won with that lottery. And also I'm 26 euros up with my Earn account. Again, with the hybrid mode. That means 50 euros up almost since we start promoting our partners on Run App. Remember, 2 euros for you and your friend. Link in the description below, but do the whole thing. Also, if you want to make 25 euros, this is something that a lot of riders have done already. You need to ask for Bybit crypto card. You have a dedicated video here where you have all the information. Again, for limited time, you can make up to 25 euros. You have the link in the description below, and you help us. Thank you very much. Also, you have a 10% discount for coin tracking, the tracker I use to track my crypto portfolio. Our friends in coin tracking saying Merry Christmas to us, Merry Christmas to you too, and they say that with a giveaway. If you want to learn more about that, use the link in the description below, and then go to Twitter account coin tracking, where you have the information. Up to 900 euros worth of airdrop are there. Also, Merry Christmas from Dex Tools, our partners, and they also commemorate these festivals with a competition where you can't lose and you can win a lot. Why can't you lose? Because this is a trader simulation. So the money you win or lose here is fake. But you have some rewards in DEX token, and those are for real. 20,000 DEX in dollars in prices, as I read here. Really, really interesting. You have from today, it starts today, so use the link below, and you have some time in order to win this contest. So Merry Christmas to you all from FunOntheRide too. Ho ho hodl. That's the Christmas carol that we sing all the time. And I wonder if you have had good presents out there, maybe some crypto. Do you have already enough Bitcoin? Yes. Yesterday, I sold my chair for more Bitcoin. That's the katana idea for Bitcoin. So maybe the best present for you and your friends is more Bitcoin, or maybe some other stuff. Consider that For Christmas Eve, we have Bitcoin in 43,000, and this is all Christmas Eves, started in $4 in 2011 and up to all the way up to 50,000 in 2021, and then this correction, and now we are back again to 43. So consider the future and maybe buy some crypto today. This is not financial advice. Maybe you need a wallet, a cold wallet to store your Bitcoin. The Trezor is my choice right now. Link in the description below with a discount in the Model 1 and Model T. What Christmas present you have? What crypto Christmas present? Tell me in the description below and I will tell in next crypto news. Maybe this crypto trader said, or maybe this other crypto trader when you lose everything. Well, use Dextool Simulator and then you are not crying like this guy. Maybe you are very good at trading or investing and you just went to buy your Lamborghini and that's the way you buy your presents. Well, we want to do that eventually in the future. But right now, the idea is to keep on learning with this Lego, understanding the Bitcoin revolution. That's the most important thing. Or maybe you want to just chill and have some cookies. Well, I leave you the link in the description below to buy this on Amazon or whatever you want. And then you help us indirectly. Thank you very much. Tasty cookies, or maybe you want to help us with the best pool out there with zero fees, only 270 fixed cost, so a lot to share for you. And we just validated a new block, so that's good. 117 already validated for Cardano. That needs to break this line, maybe another cap on handle. We'll see about that. And what about the Christmas cats here? This one, it's a transformer. He's starting as a cat, but then working with Santa out there in the North Pole. What about the Grinch? I feel a little bit like this guy with all these presents things, but well, you know, Christmas has good and bad things in my opinion. For example, the snow and the snowmen, like this guy, so funny out there. And what about this parade of ducks or things like that? No, how you call that? Well, enjoy your Christmas time, enjoy your vacation, and enjoy crypto news, fun on the ride, your crypto show, your favorite crypto show out there. If you want to keep on learning, just watch one of these two videos. If you want more news, then tomorrow, crypto news, fun on the ride, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!